friends. Sorry. So we are here after such a long time. It's a gap of around more than 1 month. So we will recall our past video first. So what we did. We we discuss about the career counseling, what type of assessments in the market available, or what type of assessment you can do to find out your stream preference and in which stream you can do better. So today's topic is related to friendship. Isn't it sounds interesting? So having good friend is the key to mental health, how kids will choose their friends, and how parents will support um, and choosing their friends. So, this is Pratiksha Maheshwari, practicing counseling psychologist. Today, we are going to discuss about how to make friends, whom to make friends, and how parents will react and support their friendships. When the kids are at the age of 3 to 6, if before this, I want to tell you we are facing different stages of life. So I divided here the friendship into three segments: 3 to 6, 6 to 12, and 12 to 19. So when the kids are at the stage of 3 to 6, they don't understand others' perspective. Uh, they make friends. They make friends whom fulfill their requirements or their likings. So uh, they love to follow each other. If the one kid wants a particular game, the second one also like to take that. So they like to follow each other. Uh, Person who provide a child with his choices, his likings, they are in the good list of the child. Then 6 to 12 years kids. 6 to 12-year kids are very judgmental about themselves and others. They are creating their own perspective at this stage, so they are very judgmental. So they like to create secret clubs. They have mood swings for a shorter period of time. I'm giving you an example. Kids एक ग्रुप के साथ खेल रहे हैं। आपका बच्चा एक ग्रुप के साथ खेल रहा है, वो उससे 1 घंटे के बाद फाइट करके आया और अगले 1 घंटे में आप फिर उसे उसी ग्रुप में देखेंगे और he was dealing much or she is dealing much better this time. So mood swings for a shorter period of time must be there. Then after this 12 after 12 they enter in the teenage. 13 to 19 is as a teenage. They have more mature friendship. Uh, um, they respect their individualities. Um, it has seen many a times um, kids feel jealousy at that time. So teenage is the age. Whatever friends you make at this stage, they will go longer and more closer to the kids. So, first of all, we are talking about at this stage, kids feel jealousy. So, if I'm giving you an example, कि एक बच्चा है जो दूसरे बच्चे के साथ खेलता है, they are very important to each other, but um, the one will go somewhere out and in between the other make friends. Other one makes new friends. So when the first one um, came back from the um, comes back from the comes back again, so uh, she feels jealous or he feels jealous because the other friend their friends have other friends, so that kind of thing happen. um, Parents at this stage who feels helpless to understand their kids, and kids need support, and there are lots of things at this stage which parents can do and support to nurturing the kids friendship. So first of all you have to understand who is important for your kid and what is your uh, kids perspective towards friendship, which type of friends they have. If they feel jealousy you can show empathy at that time, um, beside to make them understand. It will help kid in better socializing. So how you treat your neighbors, family members, kids, and friends. Um, kid will observe that all the things and follow the same. If you will support their friendship, um, so you can do um, you should do fun with them. Not only with your kid, just go with the friends of them as well. So that all actually friendship can't be learned. It is not a kind of thing ki 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and kids will learn those things. So every time they have different situations um, um, with each other, which you can call a real life scenario. Here the kids will learn um, the real life scenarios, how you will react in a particular situation that matters. So talk to kids about their best friends to understand them. Talk about their best friends, how much you know. You can ask their likings and are they aware of their friends' likings and these kind of things. Understand their point of view. What on these topics you can discuss with your kid, like what is a best friend according to you? What qualities have you have seen in your friends or best friend. Friendship takes time. It's not a day or a week journey. Sometimes kids uh, haven't much option of friends. They have to choose what is available if they want socializing. But at that time, it is I just seen that mm, kids can kids will be kids can be frustrated. Um, you can include them in some activities at that time. If kids feel frustrated, so you need to give them a activity which they will do with their friends so that they are gelling. Or otherwise, you can teach them let it go things. So this is uh, one more thing you have to teach your kid as well, that is forgiving mistakes of a friend if it is avoidable. So that is um, now I'm talking about the breakup of a friendship that hurts as same as in the adult age when you are into a relationship. So at the time, kids need your support, and they have to learn the let it go things. You can reconnect with your other friends as well. So for in that time, you can help your kid as well to in the reconnection. Reconnecting, you can do like you can call them for a get together, and after that, ask your kid to make uh, to be a host, and um, it is now his duty or her duty to make their friends comfortable. So that kind of activities, that kind of help you can provide your kids. Uh, and If you are meeting after such a long time with a friend, or you want to connect with them, so other party can do like um, make them make them feel important at that time. It is a friend's duty or others duty. I love to they can say few words like I love to spend time with you, or you make me feel great, make me feel important. That kind of words they can say. um, so teen age kids many times ask these type of questions कि do we have to change to make friends? क्या हमको अपने आप को बदलना चाहिए, चेंज करना चाहिए अपने आप को किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की फ्रेंडशिप गेट करने के लिए? सो माय आंसर इज कि नहीं, आपको अपने आप को बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जितना ऑथेंटिक आप फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे, जितना आप रियल फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे, अपने आप को रियल प्रेजेंट करेंगे, उतना फ्रेंडशिप आपकी लॉन्ग टर्म चलेगी। बट इफ यू यू आर शोकेसिंग समथिंग विच यू आर नॉट, सो वो फ्रेंडशिप जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी, क्योंकि जब सामने वाले बंदे को ये पता लगेगा, सामने वाले इंसान को ये पता लगेगा कि आप वैसे नहीं हो, तो he will or she will make a distance from you. So uh, don't change yourself. uh, अगर वो पर्सन आपको नेचुरल वे में आपके पसंद करे, देन इट इज बेटर। कोविड एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ मैं आपको बैटरी का, कि कोविड में एक बच्चा दूसरे के साथ खेलता था, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम he or she makes new friends, and the other one kid don't have. So at that time, he or she feels betrayed, jealousy, or maybe depressed because of upsetness. He loses his friend. They need to at that time you have to taught you have to teach them let it go, and give them an opportunity, help them in making new friends. So communicate with your kid and um, um, give them a chance to express themselves and their feelings. So that is there. Again, another thing, teenage kids sometimes say, "Mom, I don't like to talk about this with you." So at that time, you have to understand your your kid's perspective. Um, Now you have to understand on those things. Your kid is going little mature and they want their individuality. They want their personal space. So at that time, you can give them the diaries so that they can write their feelings, and kids in front of others, kids that really make them वो हर्ट हो जाते हैं उस एज पे। तो आप उनसे बात करिए, उनको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, और आप उनसे किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर किड्स एंड देयर फ्रेंडशिप्स। यू कैन आस्क फ्यू क्वेश्चंस लाइक हाउ डू यू फील विद देम, आपको उनके साथ कैसा लगता था। डू यू फील, डू यू नीड टू शेयर एवरीथिंग विद देम, क्या आपको लगता है कि आपको उनसे सब चीज़ें शेयर करनी चाहिए, या यू नीड टू हाइड फ्यू थिंग्स विद देम, या आपको लगता है कि आपको कुछ चीज़ें उनसे छुपा के रखनी चाहिए। So that kind of question when you um, going, you will ask your kid, so they will come um, with their answers, and you can make a understanding what type of friends they are looking, what type of friendships they have with a particular person. So that is all. One more thing which is very important, that is the at this stage kids generally goes into the co-ed. So gender gender things came in front of them. So, at this stage, girls want their intimate friends, and boys love to spend time in the groups. So that kind of thing, which you have to understand. Opposite attraction is also there. So your girl child may be attracted from a male person, male friend, or male friend can be attracted by a female child, a female kid. So at that stage, you have to understand, make them feel comfortable, and I think at this stage, if you have a relationship with a family, from family friendships, relationships, so it will be a better thing. If you have, like your kid has some friends, so you can meet their friends' parents and create a family environment. You can call them on the dinners or lunch. You can go outdoors together. So you can understand what type of family they are, or it will create a good bonding uh, and socializing things with your for your kid. So that's all for today. So if you have any other queries, you can contact me on Saturdays and Sundays. I am available. Um, with this, um, I will associated with some. I'm taking some counseling sessions and associated with the few schools as well. So that's all. And with this, I will suggest you um, try whatever the suggestions I'm giving you. Don't follow them blindly, but understand the situation and then follow those things. So, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe it. And for now, it is like